Hey guys, want to see how we got this look? Then keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So we ordered the pants and top off of Amazon. We decided to go with the pants and a long sleeve shirt because we're in Michigan and it is freezing. Next, we're going to just get our image from online and then we're just going to edit it using our computer. We did that for this image here and also for the pants, the little squigglies that's going to go on the pants. So we're going to print them on some transfer paper. For the squigglies, we actually use the dark transfer paper. And this is my husband's hand, so don't try to come for me. But yeah, he's just ironing them on after we cut them out. Just like that. And then we let them sit actually for like 3 to 5 minutes. And then he's just peeling them off now. So this is the final results for the pants. They're so cute. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is our first time doing a DIY costume for our son. Okay, the same thing for the shirt. We just cut the image out and we used the light transfer paper instead because it's a light color shirt. So he's just ironing it on. And voila, it's coming out so good, y'all. I'm so excited. This here is some red felt. I picked it up from Joann Fabric. We're going to use this for the sleeves and the collar. So he's just making sure it's a straight line and then we're going to cut it out. We did about 1 inch for the sleeves. Okay, so after we cut them out, we're just going to make sure it's lined up good. And we're going to be using our glue gun to just glue it on. Okay, so now we're gonna do the collar. He's just tracing it out so it'll be easier when we put it on the felt and we can just go around it and cut it out. So now that we've cut it out, we're just going to take the excess pieces that we don't need and just trim around the edges. He's using like a little blade that's like super sharp, but this boy be on point. Okay, so now that's all left to do is to glue it down and we gonna be done, y'all. I'm so excited. I can't wait for y'all to see this. Oh my god, y'all, I love it. We're all done. I still can't believe this is our first DIY and it came out this good. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.